Couple pictures of our D20P. I'm going to have to do an engine rebuild on it. Picked this up for fairly cheap, but it's getting more expensive all the time. After trying to start it unsuccessfully, the oil looked okay on top. We decided to drain it. And you'll see here this is not a good start. Also did a compression test. We got 40 psi on the first cylinder, 60 on the second, 240 on the third, and 200 on the fourth. This dozer shows 1,635 hours on the meter. Sprockets look a little bit sharp. We'll be doing a rebuild. Look for a video in the future. Thanks. Please subscribe.